Smart Oven Pizzaiolo, featuring manual mode. Manual mode is an alternative mode of operation that allows you to fully customize how your pizzaiolo oven functions. When using this mode, you can control the pizza deck and top temperatures and select which heaters are on during the cook cycle. To get the most out of this setting, use the interface magnet that we've provided here. Place the magnet on the front of the interface, just like this. It's really clever because now you can see the temperatures you have set and what heaters you will use. Now to set the oven to manual mode, you'll need to press and hold the Deck Temp dial and turn the top temp dial from off to 160 degrees Celsius. Next, release the Deck Temp dial and the manual mode light will flash 3 times and then stay on. Now that the manual mode is selected, the control dial situated on the far right will allow you to choose the heat distribution in each top element in order to achieve the food results you want. If you select the setting on the far left, the inner and outer top elements will have a similar heat distribution to allow an even cooking result. This setting is ideal if you're cooking a pizza that requires the toppings and crust to be cooked evenly, like a Neapolitan pizza. Now, when turning the dial from left to right, you cause more heat to be directed toward the outer element and away from the inner top element. If selecting the setting on the far right, the outside of the top element will have a much higher heat distribution than the inside of the top element. This setting is great for cooking Neapolitan pizza, which requires high heat in the crust to achieve leopard spotting. And if you want to reset your selection, just turn the style dial to off and then turn it back into your desired function. It's that easy. 3, 2, 1. It's ready!